Dr. Zakir Abdul Karim Naik is an Indian Islamic preacher and the founder and president of the Islamic Research Foundation. Zakir Naik is a doctor who speaks fluent English and Bambaiyan Hindi. And I'm so excited to do a video about this guy. Welcome to another episode of FTD Facts. I'm Leroy Kenton, and quite a few have been requesting for us to do this video. And a question that I want to throw out there to you is, what religious figures do you find inspiring or have inspired you? Even if you're not religious, like what about them just got you a bit lit up about life? I don't know. Let me know down there. And don't forget, guys, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying FTD Facts. And if you're new, you gotta hit that subscribe button and that bell notification just so you don't miss any videos when we post them. Dr. Naik runs a non-profit charitable trust called the Islamic Research Foundation and Peace TV, which reportedly reaches over 100 million viewers. The channel, according to the website, is dedicated to the promotion of Islamic theology, understanding of Islam through presentations, through various channels, including TV. It's also dedicated to the promotion of truth, justice, and morality, harmony, and wisdom for the whole humankind. Zakir Naik was born in Mumbai, Maharashtra in India on October 1965. He attended the Kishan Chand Chelaram College and studied medicine at the Tapiwala National Medical College and BYL Nair Charitable Hospital, and later the University of Mumbai, where he obtained a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. The appeal of Dr. Naik is that he seeks to clarify Islamic viewpoints and clear other misconceptions about Islam using the Quran, Hadith, and other religious scriptures as a basis, along with scientific facts. And unlike many Islamic preachers, his lectures are delivered in common language that people can understand, and they're presented in English, not Urdu or Arabic, and he usually wears a suit and tie. Now, according to the Islamic Research Foundation's website, in the last 20 years, Dr. Zakir Naik has delivered over 2,000 public talks across the entire world. In fact, in March of 2012, his public talk in Kishangani, India, was attended by more than 1 million people, being one of the largest gatherings in the world for any religious lecture by one speaker. Dr. Zakir Naik was recipient of the highly prestigious King Faisal International Prize in the category of Service of Islam in 2015. The award was announced by Makkah Governor Prince Khalid Al Faisal and KFIP Secretary General Abdullah Al Uthaymin. Each prize consists of a handwritten Arabic certificate, a 24-karat 200-gram gold medal, and a cash award of 750,000 Saudi riyals, which is about 200,000 US dollars. In 2004, Dr. Naik, at the invitation of the Islamic Information and Services Network of Australasia, made an appearance at the University of Melbourne where he argued that only Islam gave women true equality. He said that the more revealing Western dress makes women more susceptible to things like rape. In August of 2006, he also visited the conference in Cardiff, and he caused controversy when Welsh MP David Davies called for his appearance to be cancelled. He said that Dr. Naik was a hate mongerer and didn't deserve to have a platform to express his views publicly. The controversy also continues because Dr. Naik has been banned in the UK, Canada, as well as Malaysia for his hate speeches against other religions, and had been denied permission to hold public sermons due to the nature of violence inciting things that were being said at these functions. Dr. Naik was forbidden to enter Canada after Tariq, founder of the Muslim Canadian Congress, warned MPs of his views. And Dr. Naik's views have offended many Muslim scholars, both from the Shia as well as the Sunni communities. Many Muslim scholars across the world look down upon Zakir Naik for his statements on Allah and the Prophet. And it's reported that in one of his speeches, he even praised Yazid, the villain in Muslim theology whose army killed Hussein, the Prophet's grandson. Dr. Naik had used the expression of Radiallahu Ta'ala Anhu for Yazid, meaning may Allah be pleased with him, and this annoyed the audience. In other speeches, he had mentioned how Muslims shouldn't seek favors from the Prophet in their prayers, but only from Allah. So guys, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I know a lot of people really love Dr. Naik, and some people just completely hate him. And if you could shed any more light on this, definitely let me know down below as well. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can keep up to date with what I'm doing when I'm not posting videos. And I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Hey guys, and before you go, here's a playlist that you can check out with more FTD Facts episodes. I definitely recommend them if you want to continue learning more about the people, places, and cultures all around the world.